Hello, it's me, Miss Moon from Moon and Brian English. I'm going to show you something. These are the farm-raised cockroaches, so that's why they don't smell and they have no bad odor. They eat vegetables or fruits. Of course, there might be a question that goes into your mind. Why do people want to have a cockroach farm since they are pets and do harm to the human? Because these cockroaches are used as the animal feed for chicken, for fish, because they are high protein. And shh, let's try our challenge with the teacher. Let's come on, baby. Yes. Mr. Ted, so we will come to have the second challenge. Oh, sorry, this is Scary Box challenge, alright? So, can you actually look to the other side? Yeah, you have to look to the other side. And you have to get down. So you have to guess. What is it? What do you think it is?
Kaca.
What is kacha in English? Kacha! Cockroach! Yes, correct. Okay, this is a cockroach. Wow, you're so brave. You didn't even shout. How can you do that?